I will show you the key steps of how to cook authentic Chinese food at home in a short time without recipes. This is Universal Recipes. I'm Scott. Here we go. Okay, this dish has a light taste and the crispy lotus root is very delicious. Number 1. Understand the taste. Keeping the natural sweetness and crispiness of lotus root is the key. Number 2. Water control. Make sure there's little water and not dry. Number 3. Taste control. How to ensure the lotus root is white and crisp. Firstly, clean the starch on the surface. The sign is that the water is no longer turbid. Secondly, soak the lotus root in water and add white vinegar. Thirdly, the lotus root should be blanched in boiling water for maybe 20 seconds. It is called 焯水 in Chinese. Pork is processed in the same way as other meats. Here's some salt. Add saltiness, a little dark soy sauce, add color, an egg, and some starch. Keep the meat tender. Then knead. Number 4. Fire control. It's very simple. Stir fry quickly over high heat. You always have a second chance when cooking Chinese food. Number 6. Match colors. In particular, pay attention to the shape of this dish. The shapes of pork and the lotus root are all dices. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe. If you want to know anything, please leave a comment and I will be back.